welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a requested video, and that's to show you my hair routine. So normally, because I have quite long hair that is naturally wavy, I like to just put a few curls in my hair to make it look a little bit more curlier. And so today I'm going to show you exactly how I like to do it. Now this look is going to be a very effortless kind of beachy loose wave that you could wear anywhere. You could wear it to work, you could wear it to going out. It's a really versatile look and it only takes about 10 minutes. So if you want to see how I'm going to create this look, please keep on watching. So first of all, I like to start off with prepping my hair a little bit. Last night I washed my hair, and one tip I can give you when you are curling your hair is to always wash your hair the night before, because I like to avoid washing my hair the day of curling my hair if I can, just because I know my hair will not hold a curl if it's really clean and it's been washed that day, and it's just a lot harder to style with curls. So last night I washed my hair and then I applied this hair serum, and this one is a really nice one. I'll leave all the information down below as well. And I just apply to wet or damp hair, like 2 pumps of this, and then I just focus that on the ends. And that really helps to kind of repair and moisturize your hair. Next, I like to brush my hair, and I'm just using this kind of paddle brush just to get any knots out, because that's really important to make sure your hair has no knots before you start curling it. And it also, using a brush like this will give it some volume. So once it's nice and soft and brushed, then what I like to do is apply a little bit of serum to the ends of my hair again. And instead of using a hair oil, because I find that hair oils work really well on kind of damp hair, I like to apply something that's a little bit lighter, and this is the End Sealer treatment by Daily Naturals, and this is just going to go on the ends of my hair to just give it a little bit more shine and just to make sure that they stay in place. So I'm just going to literally put the smallest amount. I'm going to put the smallest, like pea size, and then kind of just rub that between my fingertips and put it in my ends of my hair. This also will protect it from any heat damage, and it will give a little bit of shine and control to the ends, especially if you have a lot of flyaways and things like that. Now the next thing that I do is I like to separate my hair, and the way I have been curling my hair lately, and it's really easy, especially if you really don't have much time in the morning and you don't have time to separate your hair. This is what I like to do, is I just part my hair down the middle, and then I bring all my hair forward like so, and then I start the curling process. So I have this curling wand, and I'm going to leave the information down below of this curling wand, but you could just use any curling wand. I like to stick to a small kind of barreled curling wand, just because I find that it personally holds my hair a lot better. When I use a larger curling iron, it creates more of a loose and very kind of wavy hair, but I want more of a curl and it lasts a lot longer on my hair. So I first start off by curling the front parts, and I do it very kind of quickly, and I don't mind if I miss a few strands. So I kind of just grab about this amount, start from the top and just curl the hair around. Then I like to leave the tiny bit, as you can see, a little tiny bit there out, because I don't want the ends to be curly. And I leave it for about 5 seconds. Then I hold the curl in my hand like so, just to kind of make sure it doesn't break away. And then I let it relax. And as you can see, it's quite a tight curl, but that will relax later on. The reason why I haven't kind of separated my hair into little sections is because I don't want it to look really perfect. I want it to look more effortless and kind of worn in. And I also never straighten my hair before I curl my hair, because I find that that loses the texture and just makes my hair more flat. So I kind of just like to do it this way. And then when I get to the under part of my hair, I kind of just move those curls and work like this. As you can see, I've done this part now, which took me probably only a few minutes, and it's still pretty curly. So what I'm going to do is just take a hairspray, and I like this one by Redken, and it's a super strength hairspray. Sometimes I go for a super strength hairspray or just a regular one, but I'm just going to apply that, just a very small amount, and then just kind of leave that to settle in. And then go on to the next side. I curl it going outwards. I never curl inwards, and I do that all the way through on both sides. Okay, so that is my hair nice and curled. Okay, so I'm just going to do the same and spray this side. So once you have sprayed both sides and that's kind of dried, you can see that the curl is still pretty curly on both sides. And what I'm going to now do is kind of start to separate the curl a little bit by just running my fingers like so. And I kind of just do a small amount like that. Then my secret weapon to creating a lot fuller and kind of hair with texture is to use a dry shampoo. Even if your hair is still clean, or especially if you have fine hair and you need a little lift in your roots, or if you have long hair, you'll find that sometimes it's hard to get that lift in the roots. So I like to use a dry shampoo, and this is a really nice one. It's a clear one, so you could use it on blonde hair or brunette hair. But what I like to do is kind of pull my hair back and spray underneath. Then leave it for a second. Then I'll apply it a little bit through my mid-lengths. I should probably open a window. And then I just kind of shake my hair through like so, like this. And as you can see now, I have a lot more volume to my roots. And then I'm going to start to break the curls up further. Kind of shake them through, but not too much because they will drop. And then if you have any flyaways on the top of your hair, just spray a little bit of hairspray on your fingertips and kind of just pat it down. When you apply it on your fingertips, you have a lot more control than if you just spray it straight on the roots. And then once you have kind of brushed that out with your fingers, you have the final look, and this is how I like to do my hair. It's very simple, it doesn't take too long, and it looks effortless. In another hour or so it will drop a little bit more. If you want a little bit more hold, just apply a little bit more hairspray once you've gone through this process, just to give it a bit more hold. Otherwise, yeah, you're good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it.